Today I'll be featuring Catherine Pooler's Hey There Dumpling stamp and die set. This is more than just stamp and die cut art. There's intricate detail within the card that I want to share with you throughout the video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Christine, and I love to make lunchbox note cards that you can put into your child's lunch kit, slip into your partner or spouse's coat jacket, or add to a gift you're giving a friend. If you like content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, click the notifications bell so you won't miss any of my projects. Today is different. I did this project over what I call a Create and Connect weekend. It was a 48-hour marathon where I collaborated with another designer, namely my best friend. And we designed and created several different cards, all while sharing our favorite food, wine, and divulging our deepest secrets. Come and join me as I share with you one of those cards and the tips and tools you need to create that card. Let's get crafting.